can you share those trying times na nalagpasan nyo? Alam mo rin yung sinasabi?
Mahaba yan, Mars. Mas mahaba yan sa Maraclan. No. Yes, tama naman si Jeff. Hindi ako, wala naman akong itinago sa industriya, kinalakihan at minahal ko. And everyone from the industry, especially the people from the press knows that. Especially yung mga kasabay kong lumaki at tumanda na dito. O, sabay tayo ha?
Yes.
Kasama tayo dito ha?
Yes.
And I just really love my work. I'm passionate about this. Struggles would always come naman when you're starting. I think of me as really just working. Hindi ko talaga inisip ang sarili ko nung bata ako na artista. Alam ko talent ako because I started as a talent. I would mga anak ako ni Ate Maricel or kapatid niya ako or my first roles before when I was starting. Papadami lang talaga ako ng mga bata sa, let's say, sa TVC. Papadami ako sa mga batang extras sa pelikula ng Regal Films. And I was really just enjoying. Ang sweldo ko noong araw para sa isang buong pelikula na talent ka was 100 a day. For Mara Clara, it's 1,500 per taping day. And hindi ko question yun. I respected it because I know I have to earn my spot. But in my mind, I thought, baka naman hindi ako magtatagal dito. So growing up, it was already stuck in my head. Kumbaga naka-embed na sa utak ko, I have to keep on saving. Because I don't know kung hanggang kailan ako dito. So the first things that I really did was, nung nakapag-inbook ako ng 10,000 pesos during the 90s, insurance agad. Kumbaga, tabi agad. Kasi nga feeling ko, hindi naman ako mamahalin kasi hindi naman ako mestiza, hindi naman ako kagandahan. Alam mo yun, kumbaga, I know may talent ako, but at that time, I think it wasn't enough. So, struggling your way to be noticed, malaking factor doon yung trust na binigay sa akin ng production and ng mga producers. And at the same time, the amount of work that I put out, feeling ko, napapatayan ko naman, or nahihigitan ko naman. The struggles lang naman talaga is, at some point, you get burnt out, you're about to crash, kasi feeling mo wala ka na talagang pupuntahan. But then again, you pull yourself back up, and you tell yourself, no, I can do this. I will beat them in their own game. Kung hindi man ako kasing ganda nila, mas magaling ako sa kanila. Pero syempre, hindi ko naman chinika yun. Sa akin lang yun. Ngayon ko na lang chinika yan kasi feeling ko naman okay lang kasi marami naman kami magkakasabay nung araw. And this was happening around what? I was 11, 12, 13 years old. Alam kong I have to fight my way up, but I never really had that big dream that I want to be a superstar someday. I just kept on working and working and working. Kept on going to church when I have, pagka ako na lang mag-isa. Yun ang alone time ko. That's where I gather myself back up again. And then, lo and behold, blessings just keeps pouring in. I give myself 101% to every project I accept. In my mind talaga, I will never reach the point na I will be an endorser because hindi naman ako feeling ko wala akong mukha para doon. And probably, siguro malaking factor yun kasi hindi ako nakapagtapos, so wala akong confidence to really talk. Then I realized, I can just be myself. I can just talk about every brand that I believe in kasi pwede akong maging ako na hindi ko kailangan palitadahan yung kailangan ko sa kid kasi totoo naniniwala ako. So, para makatagal ako ng halos 4 na dekada dito sa industriya to, I think I played my cards well. And I built this foundation with a pure and grateful heart na every time I come up to a person or ang talagang pinangalagaan ko is the relationship to each and every person I work with, regardless if it's an actor, a producer, a director, or the crew, or the utility. Lahat yan sila tatay-tatay because it doesn't make sense na may mataas, mababa, o maliit. Hindi. Para sa akin, lahat ng tao pantay-pantay, lahat tayo tatrabaho ng patas, kaya dapat patas na lahat.
Jeff?
Maganda.
Ganda, di ba? Sobrang authentic. No wonder talaga Miss Julianne is the newest member of the Taloverse. Yung authenticity. Pero doon pa rin ako shock sa 1.5 per taping day sa Maraclan.
Yes.
Ngayon po, 1.750 na po siya.
Oo, may tax pa.
With that song.
So, 1.5 na ulit.
Love it. All right, any other questions? Yes, over there. Can you please hand the mic to that lovely lady? Oh, over there. Yes, please. Introduce yourself.
Hello, Juday. I'm Nathanie of Philippine Star. So, just connected sa question ni Jeff kanina, would you say yung career mo for almost 4 decades now, parang yung guiding principle mo yung fighting fairly for every project?
Yes. I think siguro if I didn't look at that way, nag-ibang tao ako, maaaring hindi na rin ako tumagal sa industriyang to. Kasi, again, our industry can be a grateful industry, it could be also a heartless one. We all know that. Pero again, kung sa simula pa lang, totoo ka naman at wala ka tinatago, then you're gonna be fine. Iyon yung naging realization ko na sa bawat trabaho pala na makasuri mo, be it in corporate, be it in an industry like this, or in telecommunication, in every type of job. Pag plastic ka, hindi ka tatagal kasi hindi ka totoo. Di ba, Mi? So, kailangan lang yung authenticity mo, ilabas mo na agad kasi doon ka naman talaga magiging masaya eh. Pag masaya ka, you'll be able to put out a great output in every part of the work that you give in, or in every part of work that you do. Hindi mo mapapansin na ang bongga na pala na binigay mo kasi you're happy. You love what you're doing. If the people around you likes you, and you love the people around you, and you work both ways. Kumbaga, huwag tayong umuwi na may sama ng loob. Ayoko rin kasi pumapasok sa trabaho na bad trip na ako kasi may makikita akong hindi ko time, or ayoko nang may bigat sa puso when I go to work. But I am just so grateful that I was able to stay in this industry that I still so love and that respects my privacy in some parts of my life. And probably because maganda yung mga itinanim kong seed growing up. And siguro kung may mai-impart man akong wisdom or something na lang sa pangkalahatan, hindi ka tatagal sa isang posisyon ng buhay mo kung hindi ka totoo. Kahit gano'n pa kataas yan or gano'n pa kalaki sa sweldohin mo dyan, if you're losing yourself, it's not worth it.
Follow up lang, Juday.
Yes, po.
Sa mga kids mo ngayon, like, kasi syempre, compared sa, siguro sa beginnings mo, mas privileged na yung kids
Pero
mo.
tumagal ka.
Anak ni Juday, anak ni Ryan. I wonder if yun ba yun din yung advice ko sa kanila na parang lumaban ng patas when it comes to projects. Kasi I know, like, your kids are also going viral in the internet. Siyempre, may mga interest sila na pa-showbiz din. I wonder, anong mga advice mo when it comes to...
Ay yes, may ganyan mga advice kami sa kanila. Or minsan kwentuhan, kasi kami sa bahay, hindi naman talaga always advice. It's more of, we talk about it. It's a conversation over dinner. It is something that we like conversing with our children. We always tell them na, yes, malaking factor that we really have to be grateful because we are in a very lucky position, napaka-unique, actually unique no positioning ng pamilya namin. But we don't use that to get ahead of the game. You have to learn every step of the way, lumaban tayo ng patas, kasi kung tatalunan mo itong step na to, paano ka importante pala to? Tapos hindi mo ito dinaanan. Tatalong ka dito only because you're a celebrity daughter or something, di ba? Hindi dapat. Kasi dapat, damaan ka nga ng kinder dadaan ka ng prep, grade 1, grade 2. Ganun ang buhay. Dadaanan mo ng lahat. Kasi part ng buhay ang masaktan at matuto. Pag hindi ka nasaktan, hindi ka matututo. Yun yung palagi namin in-impart sa kanila. It is okay to get hurt because it's part of life. And again, life is not fair. You are designed to get hurt at some point in life. And you are also designed to learn something from it. If you don't learn something from it, may mali sa'yo, hindi sa sitwasyon. wrong with your thinking, with how you look at life. But growing up, we are preparing them na all of us are designed to get hurt. And all of us are designed to get matured at some point. That's why we have trials. Nagkakaroon tayo ng pagsubok sa buhay para